Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review the book How I Taught My Grandmother to Read and Other Stories by Sudha Murthy. This book is a part of a children's series book by the author. The book is a non-fiction book and it is published by Penguin Books India. The book is a story-based book and it is consists of 24 stories. Now a brief summary of the book. So in this book, the author had described her childhood experiences and how her grandparents' teaching helped her to get into charity and wisdom. Also, you will get to know about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and what she learned from him, her initial work experiences, her teaching experiences, her first job, her outside country visit. She also tells that how her daughter played a very important role in changing her life. She explained how stories told by her helped to change the life of two kids. In sum, you will get to know the importance of education and how despite being uneducated, some people value the education. She also tells about her husband and that despite of all odds, how he wins eventually. She explained the importance of freedom through the reference of people she met during her travel, the importance of honesty and that how being honest ultimately makes you winner. She explained the importance of gratitude, the way of teaching, and that teaching is much more than teaching a subject in a class. You'll also get to know some little information about J.R.D. Tata and his life. Now coming to the review of the book, since it is a part of a children's series, the book have a simple language, big letters and with pictures. So it's ultimately fun to read. The children will definitely like it. The stories are of around 4 to 5 pages, including the pictures, which may sound a little long, but actually they are not. Also, it is a story-based book and stories are not interconnected with each other. So the reader can read the book the way we want. It will not affect the reading flow. The stories provide a lot of information about the author, her life, and within them you will find the secrets of moral values, wisdom, and different forms of teaching, which usually a person gets from experiences in life. So overall, a very good book for children, simple and easy to read. My recommendation, I recommend this book to children because obviously it is a part of a children's series. Also to teachers because it will give a boost to teaching skills to the beginners and someone who is Sudha Murthy's fan. Now I have a suggestion here that you can give this book as a gift to the children as it will help to cultivate the reading habit and also will help in providing them some values with these simple stories. And if you are a teaching professional, you can read this book and tell these stories in class, which will definitely help for good. Now my favorite line from the book is, there is a difference between loneliness and solitude. Loneliness is boring, whereas in solitude, you can inspect and examine your thoughts. It is on page number 88 and it is part of the story, Amma, what is your duty? Do let me know your favorite line if you go for this book in the comment section. I would like to read a part of the story which in turn is a story and that too with a lesson. It is a story from the Ramayana. In the battlefield at Lanka, during the battle between Rama, Lakshmana and Ravana, Lakshmana became unconscious. He needed a medicine plant Sanjeevani to revive. Sanjeevani was only available in the Drona mountain. These mountains were huge and far away. The only person who could do this job was Hanumana. Hanumana flew to Drona mountains, but alas, he was unable to recognize which was the Sanjeevani plant. Time was running short. The only way out was to take the entire mountain along with the plants to Rama. The mountain was huge. How could he lift it? But Hanumana had the gift to increase his body size. He became higher than the mountain, till it was like a pebble for him. Then he put the mountain on his palm and flew back to Lanka. When you come across difficulties, you have to grow bigger than the problem. You have that capacity within you, but you are not aware of it. If you become bigger, difficulties will look smaller than you, and you can solve them easily. If you become smaller, then the difficulties, they will look like mountains and crush you. So this is a part of a story called Gauramma's letter, and it is on page number 141, 142 and 143. Now, what are my takeaways from the book? Although the book is a part of a children's series book, as any other Sudha Murthy's book, this book also offers many values to us. What I took from this book is that life is more than the material possession and money, because when we will die, we won't be able to take back anything with us. So it is just the memory and our good deeds for others which can make us live forever even after our death. Now let me know your takeaways also. If you go for this book, please write your takeaways in the comment section. Now let me read the blurb of the book for you all. What do you do when your grandmother asks you to teach her the alphabet? Or the President of India take you on a train ride with him? Or your teacher give you more marks than you deserve? These are just some of the questions you will find answered in this delightful collection of stories recounting real-life incidents from the life of Sudha Murthy, teacher, social worker and best-selling writer. There is the engaging story about one of her students who frequently played truant from school. The account of how her mother's advice to save money came in handy when she wanted to help her husband start a software company. And a heartwarming tale of the promise she made and fulfilled to her grandfather to ensure that her little village library would always be well supplied with books. Funny, spirited and inspiring, each of the stories teaches a valuable lesson about the importance of doing what you believe is right and having the courage to realize your dreams. So that's all about the review. I hope you like this video. Any comment or suggestion, please write it in the comment box down below. Subscribe to my channel Author Books Reader for more such review. Till then, see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.